Dear student, welcome to this study video. This video presented by Param Guru Patsala English Medium School, Sarsa. Myself Chauhan Snehal. Today I am going to teach in English subject class 2nd unit number 2 Little Elephant Clever Tricks. Today's our topic is introduction and lesson explanation. So student, let's start our lesson. So here in this lesson going to about the little elephant. So little elephants to go for a walk and he want to explore. Okay. So in this lesson related hard words little Little. Then little means small in size, amount or degree. Okay, so I make one sentence. I have one little brother. I have one little daughter, yeah, sister. Okay, then second one is explore. 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 Explore means tour, yeah, travel. Understood? So little elephant go for a walk and today he want to explore. Okay, then third strips. Strips. Strips means a long narrow band or line. Okay, so I make sentence Zoro zebra has nazy strips. Understood? Then fourth on means myself. Okay, my things, my car, on house. Understood? Then after hide, hide means hide means put or keep out of sight. That means something missing, yeah, something hide. Then after grass, grass means an area of ground covered with small parts of plant like grass. So I make sentence in my garden grow green grass. Then after disappear, that means first I spell this disappear, disappears. Disappear means invisible. Okay, invisible means he disappear into the grass. Zoro zebra disappear in the grass. Okay, then after surprise means like a gift, like a shock. So surprise means feeling or showing shock for a happy or shocking something unexpected. Like this, your fathers, your mothers buy anything to your side, like your new shoes, new bag, clothes. Okay, so you shock and sometimes you are unexpectable. So in this surprise word meaning indifferent, like the shock and like unacceptable. So I make one sentence. I was surprised at his statement. Okay, I was surprised at his statement. Now clever, clever. Clever means intelligent, understanding quickly. Okay, some person understand quickly. So here I make sentence Radha is a clever girl. Now wonders means walk or move in some places. Wandering means walk or move in some places. Please don't wander off again. Okay, here make sentence please don't wander off again. Now pretty, pretty. Pretty means attractive. A pretty little girl. I make sentence. Then patches, patches. Patches means a pattern on fabric or cloth and some animal's body, like a Juno giraffe. Okay, so Juno giraffe has pretty patches. So In our lesson related some here hard words I explain, and then opposite word. Pretty means nice looking. Okay, nice looking. So here pretty opposite ugly. Ugly means looking bad. Okay, disappear. Disappear means invisible, and appear means visible. Understood? Disappear opposite is appear. Then after clever. Clever means, you know, clever means brilliant, genius. So here stupid. Clever opposite is stupid and foolish. Then here is similar words. So similar words, first word is pretty. Pretty means attractive, nice looking. Understood? Pretty means attractive and nice looking. And last one is clever. Clever means brilliant, genius. Understood? They understanding quickly person. So it's a called clever. So now start our lesson. So student, in this lesson one little elephant goes for a walk, and today he want to explore. He meets Zorro zebra and Zuno giraffe. Okay, so in this lesson this elephant is very confused for his bodies. Okay, for his on plain skin, and other animals have some types of pattern. Okay, some patches, some on bodies, dots, some on bodies, like strips. Okay, so this elephant look his on plain skin, and he little elephant is puzzled means वो confused था. Understood? Okay, so start our lesson. First I show here page on the book. So here first I will read. Little elephant go for a walk today. He want to explore. He meets Zorro zebra. Little elephant has never seen a zebra before. He looks at zebra's nasty strips. Then he looks at his own plain skin. Little elephant is puzzled. Excuse me, little elephant says, why are you strippy? So that I can hide, replied Zorro zebra. When I am in the grass, out in the plain, it is really hard to see me. I will show you. He runs off. Little elephant tries to see when he is, but Zorro zebra disappeared. Little elephant is surprised. You are right. It is hard to see you. That is so clever, he says. Little elephant wanders on. Before long, little elephant meets Zuno giraffe. He has never seen a giraffe before. Little elephant looks at Juno giraffe's pretty patches. Then he looks at his own grey skin. Excuse me, little elephant says, why are you covered in patches? Okay, so only this page today we are going to learn. Okay, first of all, little elephant go for a walk. Understood? Then he want to explore. Explore means explore. Explore means wandering. Then travelia, through travelia tour means elephant wandering in the jungle. He meets Zorro zebra. Okay, first he met Zorro zebra. Little elephant has never seen a Zorro zebra before. Okay, before he never seen Zorro zebra, and he looks at Zorro zebra's nasty strips. Okay, zebra has a strips. Okay, so in this zebra name is Zorro zebra. Zorro zebra has nasty strips. Then he looks at his own plain skin. Plain skin means without patches, without dot, and without other pattern on his skin. Okay, little elephant is puzzled. Puzzled means confused. double Z L E D. Puzzled means confused. So, excuse me, little elephant says. Why are you sleepy? Okay. So, little elephant say to Zorro zebra. Excuse me, why are you sleepy? Means why you are sleepy. So, Zorro zebra reply, so that I can hide. So that I can hide. Zorro zebra replies, when I am in the grass, out in the plain, it is really hard to see me. I will show you. Okay? Means when I am in the grass, out in the plain. Okay? Means in the grass and out in the plain, it is really hard to see me. Means it's really hard to see me. I will show you. Okay, I will show you. So he runs off. Little elephant try to see where he is. Means he runs off. Who run? Here Zorro zebra runs off. Little elephant try to see where he is, but Zorro zebra disappear because Zorro zebra has sneezy white and black strips. So this skin mixing in some which types of area? Mixing in near and far, means here these animals far away to go and it's really hard to see. Okay, little elephant is surprised. Why surprised? Because Zorro zebra runs off and Zorro zebra is disappear. So elephant is surprised. Little elephant is surprised. You are right. It is hard to see you. That is so clever, he says. Okay. Little elephant reply to with surprise. Okay, you are right. It is hard to see you. That is so clever, he say. Who say? Little elephant. Little elephant wanders on before long. Okay, wanders on means wandering means, again I repeat it, WANDERS. Wanders means walk or move in some places. Okay, walk on a move on some places. Before long, little elephants meets Juno giraffe. Okay, first meets Zorro zebra, then second meets Juno giraffe. He has never seen giraffe before. Okay, little elephant has never seen a giraffe before. Little elephant look at Juno giraffe's pretty patches. Okay, Juno giraffe pretty patches. Then he looks at his own grey skin. Elephant color is grey. Okay, and their own plain skin means elephant skin plain grey color. Okay, so in this lesson, elephant is very confused, very puzzled because some other animals have patches and strips and dot and some other pattern, but elephant has only plain grey skin. Okay, plain grey skin. That's why elephant is wonder and he see some other animals and meet two other animals and he never before see zebra and giraffe. So Juno giraffe has pretty patches. Then he looks at his own grey skin. Who looks? So elephant looks his own grey skin. So excuse me, little elephant say, why are you covered in patches? Okay, why are you covered in patches? So little elephant asked to which one? Juno giraffe. So Juno giraffe say, so that I can hide. That I can hide. Say Zuno giraffe. Okay, Zuno giraffe reply to so that I can hide. Okay, students. So in this lesson, only this page and this one is only today I will explain. Okay, again I explain to little elephant go for a walk and he want to explore, and first he meet Zorro zebra, and Zorro zebra has how many types of skin? So Zorro zebra has snazy strips and little elephant has grey plain skin. Okay, little elephant is puzzled to see Zorro zebra. Okay, and Zorro zebra's replied to so that I can hide. Okay, why are you sneezy strips? So Zorro zebra replied to little elephant so that I can hide. Okay, so in this lesson, first Zorro zebra and second Zuno giraffe meet to little elephant. Okay, so in this page related here I give you two exercise like let's remember. First, tick the correct answer in each. First, tick the correct answer in each. First question, blank goes for a walk. Who goes for a walk? Little elephant, Zorro zebra and Zuno giraffe. So in this lesson, little elephant goes for a walk. Second, Zuno giraffe has blank, snazy trips, pretty patches and hard skin. So Zuno giraffe has snazy strips, no pretty patches. Here again I repeat it, blank goes for a walk. Okay, so answer is little elephant. Then second one is Zuno giraffe has blank, snazy trips, pretty patches, hard skin. So answer is pretty patches. Okay, next one is answer the following question. Which one? Answer the following question. First, question 1. Why does little elephant go for a walk? Why does little elephant go for a walk? So, answer, the little elephant go for a walk because he want to explore. Okay, why does little elephant go for a walk? So answer, the little elephant go for a walk because he want to explore. Question 2. How do the snazy strips of Zorro zebra help him? How do the snazy strips of Zorro zebra help him? So answer, the snazy strips of Zorro zebra help him to hide in the grass. Okay, the snazy strips of Zorro zebra help him to hide in the grass. Then question third, who was the pretty patches? Who was the pretty patches? You know, our answer is the Zuno giraffe has pretty patches. Okay, so student, in this lesson, our half lesson is completed. Okay, so in this lesson related hard words and opposite word, and second one is similar words. Okay, write down in your notebook, and this question answer first time read and second you have to write down in your notebook. So student, in this lesson, our half lesson continue in our next video. So goodbye all of you, and read our first lesson. Continue to start page number 18. Cordova Sunshine book, page number 18. You have to read, and our half lesson continue in our next video. Goodbye all of you. See you soon later.